Formerly the capital of the Roman Empire, Rome today is the government seat and capital city of Italy. Located in the country's central region of Lazio, Rome is a vast and complex city that is both historic and modern at the same time. Best known for housing ancient Roman structures and the Vatican City, Rome has endured for more than 2,500 years as an important center for culture, power, and religion.
If you don't have the time to visit the area, you can see a big part of the Forum from the public street above. Don't skip Foro di Traiano and other interesting buildings just across the street. Located above Roman Forum, you will find Palatine Hill, one of the 7 hills of ancient Rome. The settlements on Palatine Hill date back as far as 10th century BC. Today you can visit an impressive collection of archaeological sites from different eras of ancient Rome.
Today, modern pilgrims continue to cross the river, guided by the bridge's angel as they make their way to one of the world's great squares, Piazza San Pietro, St. Peter's Square. And here stands the world's largest church, St. Peter's Basilica. Filled with masterpieces by Bernini, Giotto and Raphael, St. Peter's crowning glory is her dome, designed by the brightest star of the reign, a city that will soon become Caput Mundi, the capital of the world.